This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. BT100L, capable of achieving high precision, continuous transfer and quantitative transfer. Driver shell dimensions. Main components at the front of the driver. Main components at the back of the driver. Driver function keys. Refer to the packing list to check that all components are complete and undamaged. BT100L. Product brochure, manual, warranty certificate, certification, power cable, and accessories. When using the product, ensure that at least 200 millimeters of space is reserved at the back. Pump head installation, using the YZ15T pump head and 25 tubing as an example. Align the flat shaft of the pump head with the groove of the driver coupling and push it in. Rotate the pump head to align the screw hole of the pump head with the screw hole of the driver pump head bracket. Insert and tighten the to-fixing screws into the pump head fixing holes. Pull the lever to open the pump head, smoothly place the tubing in and straighten it. Rotate the lever down to lock the upper pressure block, completing the installation. The BT100L supports various pump heads to meet different scenario requirements. For more compatible pump heads, please contact the lead fluid sales manager.